Yeah. So a lot of people here. Hello,
Yeah,
people.
like
Hello, everyone. We are here
hello.
at the final end of Hacken IT at 2.0 to announce the winners. And yeah, fingers crossed, of course, because it was a really
Let's
tough
hope
of
this.
time for all the mentors and judges to choose winners because they were really, really good projects. And I must say, it was awesome to see such code bases that you guys have put forward.
May the best team win. But yeah,
There are
considering
a
the
lot of
number of
prizes, so
submissions
it
and
won't be the best team, it would be best teams. So yeah, let's.
yes,
Uh, so without further ado, let's. I'll just
for
hand
some
over it
reason,
to
team has
Pritesh and Sriram. And
Shriram. Okay, we have Shriram. Shriram, just a sec. Yes.
yeah,
Hello, people. Off to you. बता देना
yeah,
कब तक करना
Hey
है.
guys,
We are going off.
yeah, welcome to the award ceremony.
Hey,
We're
hey.
so glad to present it right now. It's been a very tough. Judges have made so very tough choices. There were so many projects. It's one of the successful hackathons of NITR so far. So yeah,
Absolute. Absolute.
Pritish will go along with the prizes of tracks.
Yeah. Without further ado, let's start with the winners. I suppose Ritu will be sharing the screen.
yeah. Ritesh, if you're here, if you could, if he's here, else I'll do it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Just
I'll,
give
I'll,
me
I'll do
a
it. Just
sec.
give me a second. No, no, I'm
Okay,
sharing
Oh,
screen.
Ritesh is here.
okay. Ritesh is here.
People are really
Okay,
enthusiastic.
is
All
the
the best,
screen
everyone.
visible?
May the best teams win.
Hmm. Yes.
Okay,
So there might
okay,
be a peak you might have got of the results, but yeah.
Oh, peekaboo. Like,
ठीक है.
okay.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Scroll down for our first. Okay. Some basic intro, I suppose, which is not needed,
yeah.
but yeah.
First, we have the social good track. Yes, and let the virtual drum roll begins. We have a winner team. That's Team Noobs for their project Sanskriti. Congratulations, Team
Woohoo!
Noobs.
Woohoo! Congratulations,
Okay.
people. Congratulations.
Yeah, I personally like the project idea. That's the project was basically like a web app which not only saves us from the long process of KYC procedures, but also a boost for small scale businesses. I must say,
That is
it's a
interesting.
brilliant
People
idea.
don't look at KYC much in a good way.
Yeah,
It always has been a thing of very irritating.
congratulations, Team News, once again. Yeah,
Congratulations, people.
we can estimate your excitements, like how excited you
You
will
can
be.
use all these clap reactions and all because that is the only way we can hear you guys.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm clapping. Yes.
Okay, heading on to the
Okay.
next one. Heading on to the next one.
Under the open innovation track, we have a winner, Team Flush, for their project Flush. Oh, congratulations, Team Flush.
That's one of the very impressive videos I've ever watched. Like their presentation was damn good. Like
Yes, and pertaining
and
to the current situation, we might need this as a like day-to-day basis.
yeah, it's a very great idea, I would say.
In
Yeah,
case the
Yeah,
team members of these teams are here, just fit, feel free to put your names in the chat. And if possible, after everything is over, we might pull you up and ask you to
Yeah,
explain the project or
how
some
yeah,
about
sort
how
of
about we
introduction.
just announce all of them and all those people who have won or been a part of this, you can come on stage, we can chit chat. I
and yeah,
suppose that
OP
would be good.
presentation as Abhibhav said.
yeah,
Absolutely.
awesome presentation.
Okay, congratulations,
Okay.
Team Flush, once again.
Next one, I suppose. Next one.
Coming up
Cool.
next, we have under the fun and entertainment track, we have the winner, Team The Vegas. Yeah, for their
Let's go with
project Mimo
Vegas.
Mania. Memes. Yes.
That's the
We
first
all.
word you
Congratulations.
contain in mind when you think the word fun. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Actually, it's one of my favorite team. Like I love memes, and I have my guru Chinmay
Who would
Bhai.
not love memes? Meme is even
Absolutely.
rightly said.
One of the very cool projects out there. Yeah,
It's a
surely.
fun one.
Yes.
It's a really
Yes.
fun. Just for everyone, all of these projects are on Hack and the Folio's website under sessions. So I guess Abheva will put the link if you want to check. Go ahead.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
and the winners feel free to share your share your project links also. Sell yourself. A good platform to network people. Yeah.
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay,
Okay.
coming to the last track, we have under the old hacks track, we have our winners, Team RCB, for their project's IPFS chat.
Okay.
Yeah, don't buy
RCB
the
won
name.
somewhere.
Don't
Like,
go
yeah.
by the
The
name.
only place RCB has won.
One.
Yes,
Yeah.
RCB has done it this time. 2021 is their year.
uh,
Congratulations, Team
Congratulations, Team
RCB.
RCB.
RCB
Yes.
chat. RCB fans celebrate with chat, man. I don't know.
With that
Their
emoji or
their
tears, smiley
project their
emoji.
project is also very innovative, I must say. The chat app that they built, like peer-to-peer conversation, it was pretty neat and innovative. Okay, so that's it for the all the tracks. Now,
Okay.
Yeah, I'll go on.
Sriram.
Yeah, I'll go on with
Yes.
the EcoAR prize.
And
Yeah.
yeah. I guess we
Yes.
should have the announcements first if there are any for sponsor tags or anything.
Yeah. So, informing you about that. As of now, DevFolio's three sponsored tracks, that is Portis, Matic, and
Tezos.
yeah, Tezos. Those sponsored tracks, results are not announced for that because that's not in our hands. Like that's solely decided by DevFolio, and they have a stipulated amount of time that they require to announce it. So yeah, hey, have patience. Announce it as soon as they reveal them to us, and we like just stay tuned to our announcements channel in Discord. And
Yeah.
yeah, so I'll announce the Ecoya sponsored track winner right now. Yeah, Ritesh.
Yes, rolling on.
Yeah, so as you can see, Team Sitafal for Galeria project, like
Oh,
it's like
I will like, seriously say this was one of the most interesting projects. Like in space of AR and augmented reality stuff, I really enjoyed this one.
it's great that they
It,
actually use a
it-
sponsored track and made it like
Exactly.
it's not so it's not so common to learn something within a day and make it then and there. It's cool. Yeah,
that's the best thing about hackathons.
yeah.
Like you learn it and do it, implement it then and there. Yes.
And yeah, like let's go to the all women team right now. The overall prices.
Okay, this is a
Yeah.
Okay,
special
okay,
special
Yeah.
wait,
one.
wait, wait.
So drum
Little
roll again.
suspense.
Should I? Should I? Should
Little
I? Should I
suspense.
not?
A
Should I?
little.
Should I not?
Yeah.
Go on,
So
Nitish.
yeah. So the all women team is Team Cordant. Is a that's the pronunciation. Yeah. So race is the pronunciation of the project name
Project.
as they had mentioned
I
in
would
the portfolio.
surely want to know the full form of race over here.
Yes,
It's
guys.
something like shady.
That's funny. Current is the, yeah.
Is
Smart
an
name, yeah.
team name. Yeah.
Yeah, so we had this track to mainly promote the like promote women in this field. It's like so that women actually come and participate in the hackathons more. It's yeah. So it was a one of the good moves we thought we made in the hackathon. Yeah.
Okay.
It was an
Okay.
awesome project. Like it's real life utility of how people would need it and takes care of all the cyber security and all. It was a really thoughtful project. I really liked it.
Yeah.
True.
Okay.
Complete.
Just out of fun, the attendee count as of now is 92. Should we declare the rejects, the final thing after 100, or should
Let's
we
wait.
wait? Like
Let's
what?
wait for a century.
Chat people, what do you think of century? We are
Let's
getting
wait for the century. Yeah,
Million of
the
people.
one
The
that
thing is,
the one that
at one
Kohli
point
wasn't
of
getting.
time, they were 96. So I
Ah.
think
Okay.
people
We
We
can
can pull
pull
it off.
it up to century.
In that case, we surely can pull it
You
off.
can pull it up. You can pull it up.
People, get your teammates. Get your teammates. Let's have some
Yes.
fun. Let's have some fun.
Kohli
Yes.
fans can relate to the century thing.
No,
Stuck at
bro,
a
Dhawan fans. Actually, Dhawan fans.
Oh man, like Kohli's. Okay, whatever.
No, Ritesh,
So
don't.
It's just something. Okay, this is still at
Yeah.
92.
Oh,
Oh,
92.
people, come
I
on, come
think
on.
we
We can do.
should.
We just need 8 more. Okay, let's wait for a
Then
minute or so.
just keep on decreasing.
It's
okay,
91. Okay,
Okay,
it's
it's from 91. My bad.
10:13 now. Let's wait till
10:15.
10:15. Till then, if any one of
Cool.
these teams which have won with these amazing projects, you can hop into the page and you can chit chat with us. Sure.
Of course. And yeah, Kaustav will be sharing the winners in the
PDF as well.
Discord
Yes.
channel. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
We were just waiting
Don't
for
worry,
some
you're
time.
never late.
Once
Never
the
late.
final thing is real, we can just have that one as well. Still
There's
at
one
92.
who has
Okay.
raised hand. Soumitra Datta, if you are a winner,
Yeah. Just
please.
hold on for some time.
Yeah.
We'll
We'll.
quickly finish this and we can wait chat.
Okay, they're decreasing, bro.
Okay, 1991, 1991.
fine.
क्या ही बोले. Okay, दिखाते हैं भाई. 9 तो नहीं हटाने वहां से.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, there's no time in waiting, I suppose. Let's go.
Okay, so
Ah.
just wait for the overall winner. It's
Drum roll. Someone
one of
do a
the
drum roll.
best projects I've ever seen. I'll just tell you about it.
It's so diverse, actually.
You have seen it in the during the project showcase also.
Okay,
It's
fun,
one of the-
interesting.
Interesting.
Okay, let's just do it.
So yeah,
Yes.
Team Undefined for Old Care. A bit about the like the technologies they use Arduino and Flutter. Like I've seen an equal number of contribution from everyone. Like all three of the people, they have contributed equally. Every field. I've seen that GitHub accounts and all. It's like super awesome. Each one of them worked on a separate thing, like Arduino, Flutter, and all. Yeah, it's like
Oh.
amazing.
Congrats. That is actually
Yeah.
rare. It's generally times that there is only 2 people.
That is a combination I would have never thought Arduino and Flutter being
Yeah,
coming
yes,
together.
absolutely. Arduino
People
and
tend to take hackathon just as a software thing, but it is really cool to see hardware hacks win the overall play, right?
Exactly. And
Exactly.
they being attached with something like that. It's like yeah, amazing. It's rare to see those projects. It's rare to see such projects. It's amazing.
Yeah, so winners, if you're here, take screenshots, post on your social media, tag us, make your projects popular because you deserve it. It was amazing,
Yes.
amazing projects out.
Awesome. Kudos to everyone.
Yeah.
Kudos to all.
Yeah. So yeah, that's the thing that they are the prizes as of now. Be sure to wait for this other sponsored track results. They'll be out soon. As soon as we get the information on Therefore, we'll just put it out there. And just so that like other people, like we are like we want to appreciate each and every person, every hacker who has made a valid submission. So everyone will get their own piece of sticker goodies posted to your postal address soon. And
Yes.
and the 6 track winners, like this the 4 track winners and the 2 overall, like the women's team and the main overall winner team will get a DevFolio t-shirt also along with the prizes. Yeah.
The prizes as mentioned in the website and the surprise prize which we announced during the opening ceremony, that is the crash prize. Along with that, you guys will be getting DevFolio t-shirts as well. Yeah, so that even if you haven't won any particular prize, you don't need to lose hope or anything, because we know and you yourselves know that your projects were awesome, and we will acknowledge your hard work and efforts that you put into build projects.
Yeah.
So this will be it from the prize, the result announcement.
Any winners in the attendees?
We'll just summarize.
Yes.
we'll just summarize all the winners in our Discord channel. Be sure to check it out.
Yeah. We'll have this
Yeah.
entire document up over there, so you can just take pages from this and put it up on your social medias. Do not forget to tag us.
Do
We
showcase
showcase
your
the projects.
projects. That's very important because you build your network by doing that. So
Right.
we suggest you to share it on your social media. Just show the world what you have done. Such amazing projects.
And yes, don't forget to share this in the showcase channel of the Discord server, Hack and Share Discord
Yeah.
server. Yes.
Feel free, Pura. You can have a brief and everything over there. Okay, this has been really cool. This has been really good.
Yeah.
Okay. Any winners in the attendees?
Any
if you
winners who
want
wants
to
to come to the stage and talk about what they feel right now.
Your
Their
small Oscar
experience,
winning
how they
speech
built it,
practice can be
everything.
done now. Like also there
It's
might be a lot of projects, like all projects were
Oh,
superb
trust me.
and
super awesome.
We had
Yes, I
like
must
And-
3
say
or
this.
4 rounds of screening, and it was really difficult to screen out people
Yeah.
each and every.
Yeah.
Because not just good projects, but from really different categories. Rather, I would say varied. There were so varied projects that comparing to was a really tough thing, and we were struggling with that. Like, to be really honest.
yeah, there was a reason why we had put it at 10 and could not do it in the morning,
Yeah,
because we had to have proper brainstorming of choosing new people.
Yeah,
Like these
actually,
projects as the
We
top
got on
ones.
a few calls, if I'm not wrong. We got on a few calls. We were just going through everyone
yeah,
divided it.
like
So,
every
Yes,
project, the judges had
actually one.
each judge had given their input. Like we had to shortlist only few projects, as you know. So it was difficult, but yeah, like only a tiny gap between the winner and the person who has not got the prize. It's not a problem. You can always go for old hacks
Wait
and
for Hack and Idea 3.0.
yeah.
Yes. Yes.
okay.
And
Okay.
hope it might be in person and not online.
Yeah.
You guys will have a lot more
In-person
fun.
you can enjoy. We have
Yeah, so all the
many
first time
things we could do.
hackers, all the people who are experienced hackers, everyone, I hope you had a really fun time with Hack and ITR and us. And even if you missed out on the prizes, I'm pretty sure you will bounce back well in other hackathons, and especially Hack and ITR 3.0, which will be happening next year for sure. Yeah, I hope everyone had a good time.
Yes.
And
So,
yeah, Team RCB, this might be a sign for Royal Challengers Bangalore. It might seem. It's a sign. Yes, it's
yeah,
a sign.
desperate,
Multi-layered cricket jokes today, so we need to stop.
Bro,
desperate
I am
RCB fans.
an RCB fan.
Yeah, people are what to do.
Okay, so that will be us from that will be it from us.
Yeah, cool. Kudos. Bye.
Tada.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you soon.
Keep building
And
cool
again,
hacks.
feel free to be
Yes.
active on the Discord channel.
Discord
if I'm not
server.
wrong, we are going to have
Yes.
it. If you want to ask anything or like showcase any project, feel free. This is a good community, and we plan to have it up and running for the entire year.
Yes.
Tada, people.
Okay, people. See you soon.
Good night.
So, bye. It's
Good
been
night,
really
guys.
fun. It's been really fun.